Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn how to make slime without borax. First thing that you're gonna need is a container. It really doesn't matter which kind. A spoon to be able to mix the things together. You're going to need glue, preferably it will have to say PVA glue, bicarbonate of soda and saline solution. If you want to add some coloring, you can add. If not, you can leave it just white. It works perfectly fine. The amount of glue that you use will determine the amount of slime that you will get. Because you don't use borax, we'll have to use bicarbonate of soda, roughly this amount, and saline solution to make our activator. Just mix everything together. Then add a couple of drops of saline solution and then mix together. Don't push too much saline solution, otherwise your slime is gonna be overactivated. 1-2 drops at a time. Mix together. Then you can add a couple of more drops and mix until you see that the glue turn into slime. As you can see, after a couple of drops, the glue is not as runny anymore. It starts to become slime. I'm gonna add some red paint to it. It's easier to mix the paint in if you mix the paint with the glue first and then put the activator. But if you forgot to put it, you can also mix the colors together once the slime is done.